Hi Kabir, how are you?
Hello. Hello.
I am here, guys.
Okay, I have a question. Wait,
Yes.
could you teach us the mixed number fraction multiplication again? I forgot because I know you told us to like convert into like a mixed fraction. You taught us that way, but I forgot the way to do it in the sorry, do it in an improper fraction, but I forgot the way to do it as a mixed fraction. You don't convert anything.
You forgot the way to do it as?
So basically, you told us we could also convert it to an improper fraction and just do the multiplication from there. But how do you like? I want to learn how to do it with like the just keep it as a mixed number and do it that way.
Yeah, I can tell you.
Miss Priya.
Yeah,
So for the fraction thing, you only give like one page. Is that all you give?
No, she gave like 8 pages.
Wait, what? I
Um,
thought you gave us one only.
One.
Yeah, I only got one.
Yeah, I got one also.
I got.
Okay, guys, let's see. Huh? One second, guys. I'm going to bring it. Hi, Arihan. Nice to see you.
Hi.
Hi. It's nice that you remembered to log in. Let's see. I'm sure this class is going to fit you better. I don't want you to be in a class that was so hard. Okay, let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and see what are our homework, okay? I really feel we have some gap there, right?
For
Clearly,
for the integers, I finished them. I just need to upload a photo.
good.
Yeah. Say, I did the homework, but I forgot to upload the thing on like the camera.
Yeah.
Ilma, see, what fractions review, there were a lot of pages, right?
Wait, which one?
Yeah, no, I got lots of pages too. I got like 8 or something, like 5.
Wait,
I
which
got one.
fraction review?
Oh my God.
I got
Yeah,
one.
guys,
I
it
got
was
one.
completely my bad. Okay. It had a lot many more pages which it did not share. I'm glad you guys brought it up.
I did
Uh,
the whole page only.
okay, that's okay. I'll post it again. Okay, I'm glad you all
Okay.
brought it up. Okay, let's go over fraction multiplication he's asking, and after that, we'll see. Guys, I understand. Kabir, what are they saying is yes, they are correct. Actually, only one page was shared. It was completely by mistake, but I'm so glad you guys are bringing it up. And you know what? You should have asked this question in Google Classroom for me. I would have rectified it, right? You
Oh,
see
okay.
the problem, yeah, when you see the problem itself, right? Hey, how come this homework is having only one page? You could have posted a question. Maybe I did not see, I'm sorry. But if you had not asked, the best way would have been to ask the question.
Oh no, what happened was actually I think my dad. So like my dad gave me the homework and I do it. So he accidentally gave me last week's homework again, but I didn't realize that, and he just
I
told me today that I didn't do it, so I just had to like come home and do it because he forgot to tell me that there was like he forgot to tell me that he gave me last week's homework.
Okay, no problem, but I will post it again, guys. I'm so sorry about it, but hereafter, please do ask as well, okay? I'm also a human being. Sometimes I make such silly mistakes too. Very bad of me, but I'm sorry.
Wait, Miss Priya, I have some questions for the teachers.
In the integers, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over that, huh? Okay.
Same. I had one,
Which
just one
page,
of the
ma?
pages.
In which page?
It was like something that said, I have the mouse one, like the meadow. Or not the meadow, sorry, not the meadow. It was like the cauldrons one. I didn't get that at all.
Wait, ma. Let me go there. One by one, we'll clarify, okay? Arihan, do you know negative numbers?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay, then we are good. Which one, ma? Which one should I open? Integers?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to do?
The one that says like the cauldrons. Yeah, this one.
Which one? Okay, I'll show you how to do it. And then you can go and do at home again. Is that okay? I'll go and show you first. So basically, let's see what is going on here. -3 plus -4, right? Two operations can never come together. As I said, when plus and plus comes, minus and minus comes, they are replaced with a plus. Right? You and your friend, you like both each other. Okay, you like to play, so that you generate positive thoughts. But plus and a minus or minus and a plus, when they come together, you replace it with a negative sign, right? So here, -3 minus 4 results in a -7. So answer is -7. -8 minus 5 results in -14. Am I making sense? Okay. How about this? Yes, Viraj, what is it?
No, I'm just raising my hand for another page once you're done.
Another question. Okay, I'll wait. Very nice. Raising hand using the Zoom button is always very good. How about this? Yana, can you tell me the answer for this one? Arihan, can you tell me the answer for this one? Can you tell me the answer for that one, Arihan? Oh, wow. Good job, Arihan.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Yana, how about you?
Do I say it out loud or do I
Yeah,
use
yeah,
the
loud, loud, loud. It's really okay.
-27?
-27. You got it, Manau?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, how about this? All of you. Can you send in chat? Wait. I don't want that. Wait. Please wait. Sorry. I want a little bit of a harder one. Wait, guys, I'm checking what to give you. I don't have a harder one here. I'm checking my wait. Ah. Okay, let's go ahead with this one. Okay, you guys seem to be solving easy ones very easily. I really want you guys to do this. Try this one.
Number 9, right?
Priya, you're on mute.
Yeah, Ma, sorry. Can we go ahead and share that? Can we go ahead and solve that? Come and send the answers to me.
9.
9, yes. Oh, Arihan, very good job. Kabir, very good job. Viraj, very good job. Yana, Deepak, that seems incorrect. Devansh,
Wait, could I explain it?
Viraj, you got it. Kabir, you got it. Yes, you can explain, but 1 minute, ma. Can you retry Yana and Deepak? Arihan, this class is so much better, right?
Yes.
That's what I told you. I can understand how hard it was. I'm so sorry, Arihan.
Wait, Arihan, how old are you?
9.
Oh, okay. Wait, what class were you in?
Before I was in a harder class.
Wait, what age group were there?
No, Kabir, let me clarify your doubts. The thing is, actually, meaning Arihan was working with me in the summer. Okay. He wanted to continue. Basically, he wanted to continue, and I wanted to teach him too. He's a very curious math kid like you. Okay. So the thing is, I had asked him to wait. Okay. I could not put a class for where he will fit in. I'm not teaching the fourth grade beast because I don't have time, and all the other classes are filling up my time. I did not have time. So Arihan was waiting. So what happened? I started an AMC8 practice group. Okay, AMC8 is for 8th grade kids. Okay, but 4th to 8th grade kids participate in the class. Thing is, I put him there. Okay, he found, meaning it is a difficult class even for a 6th, 7th grader. So suddenly when I put him there, he felt it very hard. So I moved him to this class. This class seems to be a perfect fit for him based on what I see now. Does that clarify your question?
Yes.
Okay. Is that right, Arihan?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. Yana and Deepak, I wanted you to retry. If you are dedicated, right? I love teaching. Okay. So it's nice to have him
I
back.
sent my new answer.
That seems incorrect, ma. Okay, Kabir, you wanted to explain, right? Go ahead and explain, Kabir.
So if we start from the beginning of 9,
Mhm.
14 plus -9, positive, negative equal negative,
Uh-huh.
and positive, positive equal positive, negative, negative equal positive. So then
Mhm.
negative 14 plus -9, negative
Mhm.
and positive are together, which means it's a negative, which
Mhm.
means we would have an answer of -23. Then negative 23 plus 20 would then, that's positive, so we would get -3. Then -3 minus -3 minus 2 would then be -5.
Does that make sense, Yana and Deepak? Yana, Deepak, did that make sense?
My Wi-Fi just went off.
No
No.
problem, ma. Did you hear it? Did you understand?
I heard a lot of it though.
You did
Till
not hear him a lot of it?
I heard till the 23 part.
Okay, well then -23 plus 20 would then be -3, right? Then -3 minus 2 would equal -5.
Make sense?
Oh yeah. I realized what I did wrong.
Okay.
Deepak, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you send the answer for this one, all of you? -11 plus 8 plus -1 plus 7. Okay, who wants to explain?
Can I explain?
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Arihan or Viraj, you can explain. Viraj wanted to. Arihan, next one I'll give you the turn. Is that okay? Go ahead, Viraj.
So I basically just did -11 plus -1, which equals -12.
Uh-huh.
And then -12. I did 8 plus 7, which is 15, and then I did -12 minus 15, and that gave me 3.
Does it make sense, Yana? He combined all the negative numbers. Then he combined all the positive numbers, wrote down the answer, and then did whatever is needed.
So
Got
when
it?
we get these kind, we have to use like PEMDAS.
Yeah. See, you can. Yeah, you should use PEMDAS for that matter. See, this one is minus
Okay.
7 plus 8 minus 1 plus 7. So these two gets you a minus 2 minus 1 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 is a 4.
Here's my question. So I get all that stuff, but so my dad taught me BODMAS. My school taught me PEMDAS. So what am I supposed to use?
Board mass is used in Europe. Okay. What I have practically seen is whatever Europe uses, our system just gets detoured and uses a different thing. You know, even even switching a light on, right? When the light switch comes down, it's on there. Here, when the light switch goes up, it's on. Do you see it? Everything is different. There they use miles. We use miles, they use kilometers. They use the metric system, we use the customary system. They
Oh,
use kgs, we use lbs. Do you see it?
yes. Okay, I understand now.
Even speed, we use miles per hour, they use kilometer per hour. So the thing is, maybe I have always thought about it like this. Maybe US got its influence from Europe, right? So they wanted to detour. I don't know the reason, but it's always the opposite. So what happened? Board mass is a part of Europe. So in India, what we learned is board mass. Okay. The thing is, India's system all came from Europe only because we were under India was under British till 1947, right? So basically, whatever British taught, we just follow, right? Meaning till date, there are so many things that are still lingering with their system. Okay. So even speed, everything, kilometer, metric system, everything India follows, whatever Europe follows. So board mass is from there. When we were in school, like you guys, we were taught board mass. Okay, in school they teach PEMDAS. Okay, the difference between these two is here. Do you see clearly division, multiplication, addition, subtraction? Here, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. The biggest problem with this one, with these two systems, is when you think about when you're given a problem like this. Let me see how you guys answer. Okay, let me see. Okay, I will say, how about this?
We learned about expressions only 2 weeks back, so I still remember.
Oh, that's nice. So what is the answer for this one? Is it a fraction?
No.
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 Why not?
Wait. Well, 4 divided by 2
2
equals,
is 2.
and then 2 times 6 equals 12.
Arihan, what is your answer, Arihan?
I'm still solving.
Okay.
I'm almost done with it.
Is
Wouldn't
my
it be-
answer correct?
Yeah, everybody got it right. I'm going to give you another problem.
This should be the same in PEMDAS and BODMAS because
Yeah, that's true. Uh,
put something where multiplication is first because
good
it's
job. Good job. Answer is 12. But guys, PEMDAS says multiplication division, right? Why did you do the division first? May I know?
okay.
Uh,
So
uh,
Oh, in school they taught us to do whichever comes first.
yeah, whichever comes.
Good
yeah,
job. So when multiplication and division comes together, you should
Like
go
I
from
kept
left to right.
making.
Huh? So when multiplication and division comes, you should go from left to right, right?
yeah. I think PEMDAS is a bit more reasonable because if you look at it, addition or multiplication is a faster way of addition, so it should be first like addition, and then subtraction is a slower way of division, so then division should be second.
No, right. That's what I'm saying. In PEMDAS, this is incorrect. I'm saying they both carry the same importance. Both carry the same importance, and whatever comes to your left should be done first. Do you
Yeah,
get it? So,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
what is the answer for this one?
The answer for this one, like the one on the bottom, 4 divided by 2
Yep,
times.
Arihan, good job.
Hey, which question is it?
I know I
This one, ma, Viraj.
the answer for it before. Just
Viraj, I will really miss you, Viraj, when you go to India for 15 days.
Yeah.
But don't lose touch. At least, would you mind seeing the videos of the class?
Yeah.
Okay, because definitely coming back, right? You want to be in this group, right? This group is really very nice. So please make sure you go through the problems. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Thank you. Without fail, okay, whatever you do, please log in, look in the YouTube channel, see the videos.
Okay.
Deepak, it's not 12, Deepak. Division, this comes first, right? So 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2 times 6 is 3, Deepak.
I did it as in 2 divided by 4 is 0.5, and then I did that.
Perfect, that is fine. So guys, now let's go ahead and do this one. Do you all know multiplication of integers? Minus 5 times minus 5 is what, Viraj?
-5 times
Minus
-5 is
5.
25. 25, yeah, just 25.
Okay, minus 5 times 4 is what, Arihan? You can shout out.
-20.
Good job. Where did you learn all this, Arihan? Are you doing Beast Academy at home?
I actually haven't. I just knew it.
Wow, okay. Ma what? Minus 6 times minus 5 is what, Deepak?
-30. No, yeah, -30, yeah.
Amma, please, I told you, right? Minus and minus, when they combine, it's a
Oh,
plus.
yeah, plus, yeah, 30,
Plus
30, 30.
30. Good job. Now, 5 times minus 6 is what, Kabir? Devansh, 6 times minus 4 is what, Devansh?
Oh,
6 times
Hey,
-4.
you can try this one, Kabir.
Oh yeah.
6 times -4 is -16.
Ah,
Wait, no, I mean no. I mean -24.
good
Oh.
job. What is this?
-30.
Good job. Now, let me go ahead and ask you this.
What
Now,
about me?
oh, you, yeah, wait, let me go. No. I wanted to go to that. Honestly, I forgot, but I really wanted to go there and ask you guys more questions. So I'll first ask you questions, okay? Hold on, wait.
Wait, I have more questions about. I have a question about the book.
About this assignment, Amma. Okay, 1 minute. Can I just revise multiplication division alone and then come back to your question and Kabir's mixed number multiplication?
Yeah.
I'll do that. Okay. But just remind me, Viraj and Kabir, I'm coming to your questions. Okay. What is the answer for this one, Yana? Minus 3 times minus 8 times minus 2. Others can chat.
Can I say it out loud?
Yes, ma'am.
-48.
Good job. Minus 48. Very nice. Arihan, it's minus 48, right? Arihan.
Oh,
Minus and minus becomes a plus, and then plus and a minus becomes a minus. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
I misread it.
No problem. Minus 1, the whole cube is what?
Started at -3 times 8 times 2.
Ah. What is minus 1, the whole cube, guys? What is minus 1, the whole cube? Good job, Arihan.
Can I explain?
Yeah, you can. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Let me get the answers from everybody and you can explain.
Okay.
Wait, what did you say?
Minus 1, the whole cube. The question is on the board.
Wait, what do you mean -1 the whole cube?
-1 raised to the power 3.
Oh, okay.
Deepak, do you know what is 2 power 3?
Yeah. So like just like the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Check and tell me.
Okay.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah.
in our school, they say like the cube and like the what's the other one called? I forgot.
Square.
Cubic, like the rule and
Square.
then the square. They
Uh-huh.
say you'll learn it in 7th grade, but I already know a lot of it.
Good job. That's good. That's very nice.
And
Very
then they
nice.
say they won't teach it in school for some reason.
Oh, I see. That's okay.
It's
You
so
guys are,
easy.
Our
yeah, it's easier.
fraction class, me and Viraj, is so boring. We already learned everything in this class, so everything in school we already know.
It's like 3/4 plus 3/4.
Yeah, now we just got fractions homework. Like I was doing my fractions homework right now.
Oh, really?
Yes, they're making us learn fraction and it's so easy because this class was actually I've been doing everything like ahead of my school, so
Oh, that's good for you then. I'm glad to hear, guys, from the three of you.
Same.
Very nice.
Today at school they're teaching us fractions, like basically like common denominator and like subtracting and adding it, which
same.
is really easy
They're
because
too easy. They're like asking 3/4 minus 1/2
Yeah, so easy.
or
Ah,
adding. That's it.
good for you. Good for you. Let's learn more quickly. Okay. See, the intent of this class is to finish the 6th grade syllabus by the end of the year.
let's win the negative one to the
Please,
power
Arihan,
three.
sorry to I have made you wait. Go ahead. Explain.
Okay. Okay. So now, so this is not negative one to the power three, right? That can also be negative one times negative one times negative one. So negative one times negative one times negative one.
Uh-huh.
So when the two minuses come together, they become a positive. So
Uh-huh.
negative one times negative one is one.
Uh-huh.
So now we have one times negative one, and like some form of plus is mean with minus, so it'll be negative, which
Uh-huh.
is negative one.
Good job. Very nice. So what he says is, okay, you, what did I do, guys? I'm so sorry, ma. I didn't mean to do that, but for some reason it's
Okay.
on. Okay, so I asked you -1 cube, right? Good job, Arihan, on that explanation. Minus the whole cube is what? -1 times -1 times -1. So this became 1 times -1. That became -1. Can I move on? Okay.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So basically, I thought it was like -1 times 3, which is 3 times 3, which is 9, which times
Wait,
3,
wait, wait,
which
wait,
is
wait. Yeah,
27.
yeah, yeah. Viraj. This is the base, this is the exponent. Base is repeated exponent number of times. Base is repeated exponent number of times and multiplied.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Can I move on? Okay, just for benefit, okay? Meaning it's not something related to school, okay? I really want to know whether you know, okay? What is 4 power 3? Quick, guys, in chat. What is 4 power 3? Arihan, you have the Beast Academy 5 books.
I don't have the books.
Online, do you have?
No.
Online subscription you have, right?
I didn't read them.
No. I bought the online subscription for you, right?
Yes. I
Okay,
didn't
okay.
read them.
Okay, no problem. 4 times 4 times 4 is what? 16 times 4 is 64. Devansh, what happened? What happened, Devansh?
I multiplied 64 like another time. Like I multiplied by another 4.
There's only 3 times you have to multiply. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
When
Now,
I was in third grade, I always made the mistake by doing 4 times 3 instead of 4 times 4 times 4.
I know. Even now, some of them make it, ma. So, how many of you know what is 1 square, what is 2 square, what is 3 square, what is 4 square? Quick, guys. You can shout out one by one.
1 square is 1.
1.
One.
Go ahead, Virat.
4,
4.
9,
9,
16,
16,
25,
50,
36.
yeah, and 36.
Okay, like this. What is 12 square?
144.
Okay, what is 20
Yeah.
square?
400.
400.
What is 22 square?
484.
How do you do that?
Okay, what is 23 square?
529.
Is it 529?
523.
Oh, 529 makes sense. Okay. 24 square?
576.
Okay, wait. Okay, till what you know, Arihan? That's better to ask.
I know squares from 1 to 30.
Oh, you know from 1 to 30. Okay, for next week, can I ask you all to memorize squares? 1 square, 2 square, like this. Till 30 square?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a very good thing to learn now. Meaning just memorize.
Wait, till what? What till what?
Written on the board.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's easy.
Yeah, it is going to be very useful. Okay, you meaning honestly, you'll remember the class when you're in 7th grade. I promise. Okay, just memorize and come back. I'll ask you
In my
questions.
school, whenever we get like all these fraction stuff, whenever the teacher says the word group work, both of my friends come to me and say for help.
I know. See, that's nice. Help others out.
Wait, Arihan,
Come back. Let me come back to this question that Kabir asked. He wanted to know how to multiply this. Okay. Do you want to, each of you want to try and come back with the answer to me and then I'll explain. Is that okay? Let me try. Where you are, I need to understand. Let's see.
Is my answer correct?
I think you're on mute.
I'm so sorry. Arihan, good job on typing all the squares, which is very good. Kabir, answer is correct. Viraj, answer is correct. Deepak,
Is
answer
my
is correct.
answer correct?
Yana, I want you to check the answer.
Wait, what?
Devansh, can you check whether the answer is right?
Wait,
Wait.
what did you say to me?
Arihan, what is the answer for this one I asked? I didn't get an answer from you, Arihan. Ka- Deepak, Deepak, that answer is correct, I said. But Yana, I need you to redo. Devansh, I need you to redo. Yes, Arihan, good job.
Arihan, after class, could you help me a bit with the square? Memorize them, if you're available.
Will you both talk after the class? Okay, great. What Arihan?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead with this one. How to multiply this? What did you guys do? Good job, Yana. One way to multiply is, how did you do, Kabir? How did you do, Arihan? Can you explain? Devansh, I'm waiting for your answer.
Okay,
Each
Arihan.
of you can explain your ways because your thoughts will be very different, I'm sure.
Okay, so what I did was, since I kind of didn't understand how to like multiply the whole number, like mixed fraction first, I converted it into an improper fraction. So the first one would be 3/2, and the second one would be 5. It would be it would be 5/2. Then I did multiplication. That would give us 15/4, and then we could write that, or we could write 3/3/4.
Perfect. Devansh. No, Devansh. How did you get 7 and 15/4, right, Devansh?
Oh, I did 15/2.
I know. Why, because in addition, subtraction, you're used to putting it as 2. Here, multiplication, you have to multiply.
Yeah.
Arihan, how did you think about this? Can you explain your way?
What?
Arihan, you go ahead and explain how you did it.
Yes. So I'm explaining. So how I did this is like coming up with the equation. Oh, it's that. And
Uh-huh.
then what I decided was easier was to do 2 and
Uh-huh.
1/2
This is what we want. Yeah.
times 1 and 1.
Arihan, if you don't mind, 1 minute, Arihan. I'm going to share the whiteboard because this is so difficult for everybody to watch as well. Hold on. I want it to be comfortable for you guys. I can write if you want to. Wait, 1 minute, Arihan. I don't want to be doing this. Hold on. One second, ma. What is this now? 1 minute. Wait. 1 minute. Wait. I'm sorry. Notes is not even there. Hold on. You guys are going to give me 1 minute, okay? Because I want it to be neat, not like this. Because nobody can understand anything amidst so many. Yep. You want me to write down? I'll write down. Otherwise, you go write down. I
Yes.
don't mind.
You
Yeah.
can write down it.
Yeah, you can explain.
So
Go ahead.
I wrote, instead of writing 1 and 1/2 times 2 and 1/2, I instead decided to write 2 and 1/2 times 1 and 1/2.
Okay.
And then I decided to do 2 and 1/2 times 1, which is 2 and 1/2, and then I did 2 and 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1 and 1/4, and 2 and 1/2 plus 1 and 1/4 is 3 and 3/4.
Very nice. Okay. So what he did was 2.5. This is 2.5, right? Multiply by 1.5, right? Kabir, this is what you asked, I am thinking. So 2 should be multiplied with 1, gives you a 2 whole. 2 will be multiplied with half, will give you a 1. Half multiplied with 1 will give a half. Half multiplied with half gives 1/4. Add everything together. Add everything together, you get 3, 3/4. Make sense?
Can I explain what I did?
Wait. I really didn't get that. I got the part as in 2 times 1. Could you explain from like after 2 times 1?
Yeah. See, basically you're going to multiply this 2 with multiply with 1.5. How? 2 multiply with 1 and 2 multiply with half. You get these. Then half multiplied with 1, half multiplied with half. You get this. Add everything together.
Can I explain what I did?
Yes, Viraj. 1 minute. 1 minute, I'll let you explain. So basically, hey, Kabir, this is more like box multiplication. 2.5 is 2.5. 1.5 is 1.5, right? It's more like a box multiplication. Partial products, you remember? What did you do? 2 times 1, 1 times half. 2 times half. 2 times half is what? 1. Half times half is 1/4. Now add everything together. 3, 3/4. You got it?
Yeah, I
Yep.
got it.
Viraj, go ahead.
So what I did, for me, it's simpler to do it as a mixed number. So I just converted it. Like, I turned the 2 into here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I turned this into a 4, and then
Mm-hmm.
like this is basically a 5.
Yes.
So I did, and then I turned this into
Mm-hmm.
a 2, and then this is basically a 3.
Perfect. So
And then
you
I
did
just
5 by
multiplied.
2 times 3 by 2, right?
Yeah.
That's perfect. This is what he did. I mean, this is what Kabir said. He was able to understand, but the other one he did not understand. I think he understood now. Can I move on? Yana, did you understand? Cool. Now we are done with all
Yes.
that. You know what? I have to go into a separate unit, okay? You're all going to listen and I'm going to finish it, okay? You know, this one I completed in the other class 2 weeks back. We are really lagging because we were discussing so much of fractions. We are really lagging and it's okay, guys, okay? At the end of it, you guys need to do good. That's all, okay? So let me go ahead and do, this is a separate unit, okay? This is on the real number system. The number system, meaning the numbers that we study in mathematics, right? Those are real numbers. There is another set of numbers. What is the other set of numbers that we have that we don't know of? What is that?
I'm guessing fake numbers.
Not really. Yes, Arif.
Complex numbers?
Correct. Good. They're also called,
Irrational?
that comes under real numbers.
Oh.
That is correct.
Roman numerals.
This no, his complex numbers is correct, but what is the other name for it?
Imaginary numbers?
Imaginary numbers, real and imaginary numbers. Those two are the two different number systems that we have. You all got it? Now, in the real number system, we'll start with counting numbers. What are these counting numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so
1,
on.
2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next one is what?
0, 1, whole numbers.
Yeah, I just add 0 to it, right? The 0
0,
I
1,
draw
2, 3,
and
so
all the
on.
counting numbers become whole numbers. Deepak, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Integers.
yes, that's true. So now we know about, see, the whole numbers is a bigger circle constituting all of the counting numbers, correct? So whole numbers is all of counting numbers plus 0. Now next comes our negative numbers included. Integers means integers include counting numbers, whole numbers plus negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. Now let's move on to the next set of numbers. Beyond integers, what is that called?
Rational numbers?
What are rational numbers?
Fractions?
Any fraction, yes, any fraction plus some decimals. What are that some decimals? Let me tell you. What type of decimals?
I don't know.
So coming to rational numbers, all fractions, 1 by 17, 2 by 17, 2 by 18, 1 by 19, 2 by 21, everything is a rational number. But some decimals, what are those decimals? Decimals where you know the repetition pattern. Decimals where you know the repetition. You know the
0.5?
what is it?
0.5?
0.5. Yes, it terminates. It doesn't keep on going. 0.5 is a very nice rational number because it can be expressed as 1 by 2. 0.55555555555 is also rational. Rational means a same number. It knows its pattern. It knows what it is going to do, how it is going to repeat. I can write this out as 0.5 with a line on top.
So are recursive numbers also rational? Are also some decimals?
What are recursive numbers?
Recursive numbers are numbers that keep on going. So I thought
They are recurring numbers, recurring decimals, right?
yeah.
Recurring decimals, yes, recurring decimals are these, yes, recurring decimals are, they know what they are doing. So they are rational numbers.
Oh, okay. But there is really no decimal. Wait, so then what would be not some of these decimals?
Good questions. I like this class. 1 minute, guys. Sorry, guys, there is some interruption here. Now, 0.45 recurring. Is it rational or irrational?
Rational.
What?
0.45 recurring. Recurring means it repeats 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. Is it rational or what?
Irrational?
It is rational. No, this number knows itself, right?
Is it because it has a pattern?
It has a pattern. It knows its pattern. If you know your pattern, it is rational because it does have brain. Irrational numbers do not have brain. They don't know how they repeat. That is the problem with them.
Can you show me the irrational number?
Let's try. We did not complete this. Wait,
I
wait,
don't.
wait.
I don't really get it.
You don't really get it. What is that you don't really get it, Viraj?
Basic.
Okay. See, what I'm asking is where are you missing? Meaning, where are you lost?
Like I don't really get the whole concept.
Okay, I feel like it'll be a lot more easier if we know an irrational number, so we can compare the differences and then like kind of like
Can
sort
you
them
write
out.
the irrational number on the board?
Yeah, I'm going to. How about the letter pi? Letter pi, it starts with this, but it keeps on going. Till date, no mathematician has found a pattern in which these number digits come. After the decimal, goes on and on and on. There is no ending for this, and there is no pattern in which they repeat.
So does the pi have like infinite digits?
Yes, it has infinite digits, and we don't know where it ends. Till date, no mathematician or nobody has found any ending to this. And we don't know the pattern in which they repeat. So those numbers where we don't know the pattern, where we are not understanding what they mean, are called irrational numbers. And you know what? To add on to this set of irrational numbers are square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, square root of 8, square root of 10, square root of 11. All these are irrational numbers. Make sense? So now
Doesn't make that much sense to me.
it is not making that much sense. Huh? Okay, wait.
Wait, can I
The
explain?
entire
I don't understand the irrational numbers part.
what Arihan? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I don't understand the irrational numbers part.
Irrational number part is the numbers that are not rational are all irrational numbers. And both this rational and irrational numbers come under real numbers. You
Wait.
see?
So what's the difference again?
Literally, Viraj, you have to focus and listen. So here, the decimals know their patterns of repetition. Here, the decimals do not know their pattern of repetition.
Oh, like
Exactly.
0.0005 or something. Like,
0.9, so where 1, 1, 1, 2, 9, 6, 4, 5, irrational.
What does this mean? 0.22533333333. So this number knows its pattern. It knows that 3 gets repeated. You see it?
Yes.
So what? So you understand what are rational numbers, irrational numbers now?
Yes.
Okay. So a quick question. 40% is what type of a number? 40% means what? Instead of the percent? Yeah, go ahead, Arihan. What?
It can be 4 tenths, 40 hundredths, 0.4, and it's a rational number.
It is a rational number. Kabir, how about this? What type of a number is 2 by 17?
2 by 17. Yeah, that is okay. Well,
rational.
yeah, that is rational though, because
That is rational. How about 1 by 7? Yana.
Rational.
Rational. Good
Wait,
job.
me?
Yeah,
It's rational.
rational. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you more questions. Let's say if I give you this 2, what type of a number is this? You have to go to the innermost circle. 2 is what type of a number?
Counting
Whole number?
numbers?
Counting.
Counting numbers. You have to go to the innermost circle. I know that's an integer 2. It's a rational number 2. But you have to go to the innermost circle. Counting numbers. Okay. Now, guys, now that you understood all of these, right? Real number system. Deepak, can you tell me what number is minus 2.5?
I don't get it.
What number is 2? Deepak, I was explaining the whole
Yeah,
time. You
I
never
was,
asked any question. Suddenly you come and say that I don't understand. I'm not for it at all. I'm so sorry.
yeah. It's
What were you doing all the while? Did you send answers?
yeah, I did, but like
Oh,
it was
good. What did you put?
for which one?
Okay, good. Pi doesn't have a brain. Yes, I agree. Okay, okay. I'll come back to you, Deepak. Minus 2.5 is what type of a number, Kabir?
Yeah, I think it's, what do you call it? Counting number? Or yeah, negative counting number. Yeah, the counting number.
There is no counting. Counting number is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Oh wait, it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Wait, would a negative number? What then? Would a negative number also count as a counting number?
Negative numbers are integers. Integers are minus 1. Arihan, that's not right. Let's see. Integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this numbers. Just whole positive and negative numbers are integers. They gave you minus 2.5, which is a little weird. Yes. This belongs to the rational number set. Did you guys get it?
So then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are counting numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are counting numbers. 0 gets added to the whole number set. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, like this whole negative and positive numbers belong to integers. Anything like minus 2.5, minus 2.25, minus 2, 1 by 4, all this belong to rational numbers. Deepak, did you get it now?
Yeah,
Go
like
ahead.
a little
Priya,
bit.
Auntie, can you explain the complex slash imaginary numbers now?
You want to know about complex and imaginary numbers? Oh my gosh.
I agree.
Ima-
I need to know. I want to know about imaginary.
You want to know as well? Oh my gosh.
Oh, wait,
Imaginary numbers, you know what? This
wait.
comes for you in pre-calculus. Okay, you'll study a lot of this in pre-calculus. Okay. What happens here? The number is of the format a plus bi. A plus bi, a is the real part of the number, b is the imaginary part of the number. You guys got it? So 2 plus 2i is an imaginary number, or 2i is an imaginary number where the real part is 0. Does it make sense?
Is it like if they add like like an I or something, it becomes like
Yes.
an imaginary number?
Yes, I indicates imaginary number. Good job, Deepak. I like you to be interactive. Good job. Yes.
Clarify. So basically, irrational numbers are when a number doesn't know its end, but an imaginary number is when a number doesn't know its doesn't know its value, because I is a variable technically, so it doesn't know its value.
Exactly. Imaginary number don't exist at all. They only are imaginary numbers.
So if an imaginary number doesn't have a number value at all, then how do we add with it?
There's a lot. We will get into the scope a little later, huh? Okay. So for now, can I ask you this? Is this true or false? All rational numbers are real numbers. Is it true or false? Send it in chat. All rational numbers are real numbers. Send it in chat.
True.
Send it in chat. Devansh correct. Deepak correct. Good job, guys. All of you got it right. Go ahead with the next one. Second one. Guys, if you don't name the question number, how will I know which is true, which is false? There's no point in sending answers if you do that. You have to say 1 true, 2 false, something of that sort, right? Jana, the first question is true. All rational numbers are real numbers because real numbers are divided into rationals and irrationals, right?
I meant by putting it for number 2, but I accidentally wrote number 1.
Okay, guys, see here. This is counting numbers. Then comes your whole numbers. Then comes your, you have to remember or you have to note down. I'm not going to write every single time. This is integers. And then comes your rational numbers. Okay, outside of this, you have irrationals. Both combined together, you have the real number system. Okay, both combined together, you have the real numbers. Okay, now all counting numbers are integers. Yes, all the counting numbers. This is the innermost circle. This innermost circle is within the integer circle. So this is true. Now the last one, all integers. Integers is an outer circle. Are they all whole numbers? No, right? Integers means -2, -3. They are not whole numbers. So this is false.
Wait, I have a question though. All counting numbers are integers, but counting numbers are only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So then how would, because can an integer not be -10?
Yeah, it can be. That's what I'm saying. All integers are whole numbers is false.
Okay, oh no, okay, sorry, I misread this one. All counting numbers are integers. I thought all integers are counting numbers, or I misread the second one.
Okay, all counting numbers are integers is true. All integers are not counting numbers. You guys getting it?
Yes.
Like
Oh,
like a little bit.
a little bit. How about you arrange -1, -1.5, 0.1, 10% in ascending order. Can wait. 1.5, 1, no, wait. 1, 2/3 and 1, 5/6. Arrange all these numbers in ascending order.
So great,
Time,
great
guys,
things.
but arrange them in ascending order means in a number line when you plot, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is -1, -2, -3, right? When you go to your left, the value decreases. When you go to your right, the value increases. Can we try this one?
I don't get it.
You're going to order from least to greatest, ma. Order these numbers from least to greatest. Order all of these numbers from least to greatest.
Wait, Miss Priya, that's 1 2/3, right?
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
Question. See these two numbers in the middle?
What is it, ma?
See these two numbers in the middle, 0.1 and 10%?
Yeah.
They're the same.
Yeah, they're the same. So how?
I am so sorry.
Oh, okay, yes.
I am so sorry. Deepak, are you doing your homework, Deepak?
Yeah.
Every week, are you submitting? I really want to see.
Yeah.
You do?
Miss
Yeah.
Priya,
It's just the cam scanning ones are like I don't know how to
Yeah.
put them on the classroom.
Why? Meaning, do you have the PDF with you?
Yeah, I have the PDF.
Is it correct? Is mine correct?
Miss Priya.
I am checking. Kabir, I want you to be careful of the minuses. Okay, there are some minuses missing, I feel.
Miss Priya.
You can just okay, wait, where the minus is missing.
Yes, Devansh.
By the way, just when I submitted the answer, I noticed you changed the 0.1 to 0.15.
Okay. Sorry, Devansh. You can send it slowly.
Oh, okay, sorry. I mistyped that. I thought I did the minuses in.
Devansh, Kabir, Yana. All of you got it.
Did I get it?
Yes, Arihan. That's what I called you out. Arihan, Devansh, Kabir,
Oh.
Yana. Now I am waiting for Deepak to answer.
Oh, I was talking to my mom.
Also,
Because
Miss
you
Priya, I think
told
I
her
might have to
something.
leave right now because I have a class that's coming up in just in a little bit.
Please go ahead. I'm done. I'm almost done. We are just ordering the numbers. So, for the negative numbers, you need to be careful. -1 is here, -1.5 is here. So, -2 is here. So, when you go to your left, value decreases. So, -2 is less than -1. You need to be very careful here. -2 is smaller than -1, but 2 is greater than 1. Remember? Remember, guys? So that alone you need to remember. So -1, 1/2 is the least number. Then -1. Then what? 10%, 15%. And then you can put 1 2/3 and 1 5/6. This is in ascending order. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay.
Wait,
Yeah, ma.
are you like, can I ask you a question after the class?
Absolutely, you can ask.
Okay.
Go ahead. Oh, you want to ask now or afterwards?
After.
Okay, sure. Makes sense completely. Okay. Viraj, did I clarify your homework doubt? I think I did not. Right?
Yeah, I have a question on like the y on the integers homework.
On the
Integers homework.
integers homework, I'll bring it. Okay, I feel very bad. Wait. Because you asked me and I did not clarify, right? Hold on. So here we go. Where is it? What
So
page?
the why did Cupid say when asked where is there honey underground?
Okay, what happened to that?
So I just have a question. I just have a question on some of them.
Yes, I can tell you. You have to tell me the page number, ma.
It was one above,
You
I
just
think.
passed
What
it.
did Cupid
It's
say?
above.
It's above. It's 9. I mean
Nice.
AA.
Thank you, Yana. I really appreciate the. What is it? What is your question on this?
So I have a question on 8, 16,
Okay,
18, and
let's do
20.
8 and 16 we'll do, then you can go ahead and do. Okay. I'm going to do it in here. Okay. 4 plus minus 7 is what? 4 minus 7. Then minus 12 becomes plus 12. So this will be -3 plus 12 is a 9. Did you get it?
Yeah.
And then -1, please, meaning rewrite whatever is given. This is a puzzle. So you need to do this exercise. Find your answer in the answer column. Cross out the letter next to it. When you finish the answer, see, cross out the letter next to it, and then you will get the answer to this question. Why? This is a very nice puzzle. Very interesting if you do. Okay. So this one is 1 plus 99. That in bracket minus -1 plus 99 is what? 98, right?
Yeah.
So 100 minus 98 is 2 is the answer. Did
Okay.
you get it?
Yeah. I got -2. So now I
No,
don't.
right, that is wrong. 100 minus 98.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
I want you to do the rest, okay? Now, guys, this week homework is going to be on rational numbers and finishing up the rest of the 4 pages of puzzles.
Okay.
Okay, does it make sense? And Arihan, would you be able to take it up?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I have
And
a question.
go ahead.
For the other, like the class where we have like the thing on Sunday, what time is it?
What, Amma? What class?
Like for the thing that you like the test thing that you have on Sunday, I think. For like the other class, I forgot the name of it.
AMC 8, huh?
I think.
Check with your mom. AMC 8 is on
Oh, it
Tuesday.
was like MOEMs, like Division E, something like that.
Oh,
Moen?
I don't have a class for that, Amma. I don't do any class for that.
Like my mom says there was like this test gonna come like on this Sunday that I have to do.
Moems. Yes, he's trying about Moems.
Yeah, Moems is on Sunday, yes.
Oh, okay. Like what time?
What
Like in
time? 2 p.m.
CS.
CST.
Okay.
2 p.m. CST, you'll have to log in. Don't forget.
Miss Priya, I
So
don't.
that means at 3 o'clock in EST.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I looked over the Moems question,
Uh-huh.
and then my dad said I shouldn't take the first one, and he wants to teach me equations first before I take the first one, because that he said like most of the questions are equations there.
1 minute. Yeah, that's okay. But whatever you know, you can attempt without knowing equations, Kabir. You got it?
Yeah.
Whatever you know, you should attempt.
Okay. Is it online or a paper?
Yes, it is online. Okay, just come for the exam, okay? Arihan, what
Okay.
is your question?
So,
What is your
so
question?
that I'm saying that what is the difference? Can you explain the AMC 8, AMC 10, and AMC 12?
I can definitely explain to you. If it's okay with you, can I explain it in the next class?
Oh, that's
As soon
okay.
as you come in, I'll make sure I explain. Is it okay?
Yes.
Without fail, I'll explain to all of you. And next week, when you come in, right, maybe Kabir, Viraj, Arihan, you can remind me about alchemist. Okay, both I'll explain. AMC 8, AMC 12.
I don't go for that thing.
No problem. I will explain what are they. Is that okay? You can
Yes.
go next year. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'll definitely do it, Arihan, next week. Okay. Meaning I'm hard pressed for time today, but I will do it next week. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Bye, guys. See you all next week.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next Friday.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Wait. Where did Arihan just go? I wanted to talk to him.
Kenta? Okay, I'll ping. He's gone. Uh,
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll just do it next class. It's fine. It's fine.
okay, that's fine. That's fine, Ma.
Okay, bye. See you.
Bye, Ma. Hey, Algebra 1 kids, you're going to wait for me for 5 minutes. Okay, I need a break. I'll just be back. Is that okay? The class went over, I know, but please, 2 to 3 minutes, give me a break. Okay?
Okay, Priya auntie.
Thank you so much. Guys, I really appreciate it. Okay, I'm back. Tell me. Let's go ahead, ma. Hey, algebra 1, right? Do you all know about not calculus? Do you all know about this alchemist thing for practicing? Nobody, none of you know? Okay, okay. I will give you a website. I really want you guys to start working on that. Okay, set your things as very easy. Okay. Um, can I show you now? Meaning, I really want you guys to start practicing in that and share screen in class. Can we do that? Okay, so I will show you how to practice. We will pick out topics and you will be very solid with Algebra 1. Not only this, right? You should also know whatever, meaning extra practicing is really nice for all of you. Okay, I'll show you the website. I'll show you how to go about it and we'll see. Can we do that? Okay, I'll share my screen. I'll discuss the homework after this because every week I think about you. Meaning, I want to do that in class and I forget. Okay, for the past 2, 3 weeks, it's happening. So, as and when you came, I wanted to finish that discussion. Give me 1 minute, guys.
The
I'll
homework,
show you. I'm going to share the screen and show you. It's okay, even if we take time. Okay.
the homework this week was easy, but I didn't get time to submit it because I had basketball game and then I also had a homework. But I checked my answers and I got all of them right.
That is what I require, ma. Meaning, not like I rely on you. I believe you guys. You got it, but don't abuse that. That's it. Okay, as long as you do and you're able to answer the questions in class, I'm happy. Can I go ahead and share my screen? Oh, substitution elimination. Okay. And you know what? Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot to tell the lady, Anusha. அனுஷாவோட பொண்ணு இந்த கிளாஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கணும். அனுஷாவோட பொண்ணு இந்த கிளாஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்ல இருந்து. Guys, you're able to see the screen. First, you need to say whether you're able to see my screen. Let me show you. Wait. Where is Chrome? I want you guys to get used to this. From next week, I'm going to ask you to share screen during class time on the topics that we choose. I'll put up the class topics for that week, and then you will do problems on that. And then show by sharing your screen. Each of you will do that. Okay, we will see who does the highest. Can we do that? Now, let me share screen. I'm sharing my entire screen. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
But you know what? Yeah. So this is the site. I'm going to go here. Oh, guys. Okay. Do you see this? Now, here, do you see the resources?
Yes.
See the website. In that, do you see Alchemist?
Mhm.
Okay. The thing is, it is not this easy. Okay. It is already logged in, so it becomes easy for you. So I don't want that there. Okay. So basically, you will have to sign in. Okay. Meaning sign in the sense you will have to register. If you register, right, it will ask for your parents' approval. Okay, parent has to approve, submit back a PDF, and they will approve you in 1 to 2 days. You got it? It will take some time. It will take a day, 1 day, or 1.5 days to get you approved. Okay. So you can choose your username. You can fill this form, create an account, and the parent has, meaning you have to get approval. Okay. You get it? Meaning it's a process. It's not that easy. Okay. Already I have some account details. So I will go ahead and do that. I don't know my password. 1 second, guys. Wow. Okay. So it goes in, right? I go to, once you have your username password, you can go to Alchemist. You're all seeing my screen, right? Play. Do you all see it? Change focus. Change it to algebra. You guys get it?
Can
You
you
guys are noting down the
show it
steps.
again? Can you show it again?
Can you show it again? You are going to note it down, okay? Meaning if you ping, I might not answer. Next week you're going to come to class. Otherwise, note down whatever you're doing here. What I'm saying is I'm out of the website, okay? The website is artofproblemsolving.com. So this is exactly, meaning let me go here. Shall I share this in Google Classroom?
Yeah.
That will be
Yeah.
easy, right? So let me go to your classroom algebra 1 G2, right? So here, let me go ahead and share it as a material. Okay, this is what I want you to do. This is the Alchemist link.
This is just like an extra practice website for algebra.
Yes, very much, Ma. It is a very solid one. You got it? Otherwise, I will not be discussing that here, okay? You know how much of improvement I'm seeing in the pre-algebra class. I've been working with it for 6 months. Okay, so you go here. When you go there, right?
You go to resources to Alchemist, and then you sign in.
Resources, and then you go to Alchemist. Okay, and then you start playing. You got it?
Mhm.
Now change focus. Change focus, put it to algebra. Do you guys get it?
Okay, and then we click play.
Okay, not play, but you can choose. Okay, suppose, okay, now we did, what was the last one we did? We did
We did linear systems.
linear systems. Where is it? That we need to search, right?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
It says advanced system of equations.
I don't want advanced. Guys, this is already difficult. Okay, don't go for the harder one. Solving two variable systems. Can we go there?
Yes.
That's a better deal. Okay. Go for the minimum easy one. See? You guys see the problem appearing?
Yes.
So now, would you be able to solve this? We did it last week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you can solve this?
Yes.
Let me see. Solve and send the answer. Let me see.
Miss Priya.
See, I tell you, it's a difficult one. After we do our book, you can go to this and do. Otherwise, you're going to find it very hard.
Miss
I'll
Priya.
tell you what is the expectation in this for you all. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, ma. You know, after you create, okay, we'll do one. Okay, you're doing this problem. Okay, do. There's a ton of things to discuss, and I keep forgetting. What are they doing in school, Ashrita?
Two variable systems.
Okay, word problems, huh?
No, we haven't started word problems yet. We started learning two variable. We did substitution today. Monday, we're doing elimination.
Go ahead. Shall I do it on the board?
I think I almost got it.
I can help, guys, but you can post that you didn't know or you knew. I'm okay with anything, you know, right? This is the best way, meaning, it's just a review. And that way you learn how to operate this. For 1 or 2 weeks, I'll help you. After that, you're all going to share screen and tell me how much you did. I will set up the topic for that week. It's a very good one. But see, do this only after you finish the book problems because it's a level up. And Advait or Anam, you had some questions, right?
Questions about
Uh,
systems?
Systems of equations.
No.
Or Advait send a message to me, I think.
Maybe him.
Oh, okay.
I didn't send anything.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, go ahead and do this one quickly. Yeah, Priya ma'am, I cannot understand how to do this. Can you please help? Advait sent it to me. Advait.
No, because on mine it doesn't show that.
What Advait? From your mom's phone, you've sent it.
Oh yeah, it was like a question on a.
He's gone. Guys, what are you doing for this long? Shall I do? Okay, I'll do on the board as well. Okay, that way we are good. You're all doing, I'm assuming.
Brandy, are you doing elimination?
I'm doing substitution, ma'am. I feel substitution makes more sense because see the second equation I can quickly grab what is y. Y is when you think about what is y, right? What is y? 8.8 minus 0.4x. So I can substitute x y, right? 8.8 minus 0.4x. 2.2x will be equal to minus 3.2 plus 8.8 times 31 is what? 3.2 times 0.4. 3.1 times 0.4.
On.
So I get 2408 by 344. What did you guys get, guys? So basically it's a 7. X equal to a 7. Y equal to a 6. That's what I'm getting. Did you guys get it? Is it taking time?
Yes.
Priya auntie.
Uh,
So, if you're not doing substitution, how did you cancel out negative 3y?
Okay, let me go ahead and explain. Do you have the problem with you guys? Have you copied the problem? I'll do it in a nice sheet.
I have the problem.
You have the problem with you? Okay. Do you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's go ahead and do. Can you dictate the problem to me?
2x
Uh-huh.
minus 3y
1 minute. 2x.
minus 3y
Uh-huh.
is equal to minus 3.2 minus 0.2x
Uh-huh.
plus 0.1y.
What is the next one?
1 or x is equal to 0.6x minus y plus 8.8.
Okay. So now as soon as you look at it, right, for me, definitely substitution seems easy. Okay. Let me first take this group and make sure I clean up first. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 3.2 minus 0.2x plus 0.1y. How to clean up? I have to organize my x's and y's, right? So first let me add 0.2x on both sides. Okay. And then and then I will add 3y on both sides. Okay. I'll add 3y on both sides. When I
Okay.
do that, what happens? 2.2x will be equal to minus 3.2 plus 3.1y. Do you see it?
Yeah. And then you substituted x for 2.2x.
Yeah, but before that, no, I'm not substituting x. X is not yet C. This is also mangled. Okay, so I take my second equation, subtract 0.6x on both sides. When I subtract 0.6x on both sides, 0.4x will be equal to 8.8 minus y. Do you get it?
How did you get 0.4x, Priyanti?
1x minus 0.6.
Okay.
Okay, now y will be equal to what? Y will be equal to what? 8.8 minus 0.4x, right?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now instead of the y, I can substitute that in here. 2.2x will be equal to minus 3.2 plus 3.1 times 8.8 minus 0.4x. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
No, ma. Okay, so
Okay. I understand.
so now minus 3.2 plus 3.1 times 8.8 is what? 8, 8 3s are 20, 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. 3, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27. 27.28, right? I just distribute this, guys. Do you guys get it? 12.4x. Do you guys get it, huh?
Yeah, I understand now.
1.24x, I'm sorry. This is 1.24x. Did you guys get it? Now you can regroup and find what is the x value, right?
Yeah.
24.28, right? This one is 31 times 4 is what? 4, 4, 3 is 12. Yeah. So this one will be this one will be 1.24, right? Yeah. It will be 3.1, 1.24, correct. So this will be 1.24x, right? So when I combine both, what happens? 3.44x will be equal to 24.28, right, ma? X will be equal to 2428 by 344, right?
Yeah.
So that is 344 times 7 is 28, 29, 33. Uh, 2428. Can we check, guys?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I don't think it's
Go ahead.
24. Instead of 24.28, it's 24.08. It's 2
0,
minus 2,
makes
which is
sense,
0.
makes sense.
Yeah.
24.08. So divide by 344, right? So times 7. So x is equal to 7. Substitute x equal to 7 here. Find out y will be equal to 6. Do you guys get it? Advait,
yeah.
Advait, is that easy?
Yeah, I got it once you explained it.
Okay. Ashrita, did you get it?
Yes.
So what did we? Okay, let me show you. So these are difficult problems. Do you see? It's not that easy, right? So what was the answer we got, ma? I'm going to go back. What was the answer we got?
7,6.
7,6.
7,6, right?
Yeah.
Guys, please tell me, guys.
Yeah, 7,6.
See, do you get it? So, and then you move on to the next problem. Do you want to solve this or can I? These are difficult ones.
Priya? Miss Priya?
Okay, 3ax plus 3y equal to 5b, 2x plus 2x plus y equal to 5. You want them to have infinite solutions. So what will you do? You want them to have infinite solutions. So what will you do?
You have to get both equations to look the same.
When will they have infinite solutions? You tell me.
They have infinite
When
solutions
they overlap, right?
overlap. That
So
means
what do you think should be the value of a and b? What will be the value of a and b? Come on, guys. Try, guys.
Brianti, when you say overlap, what do you mean?
So how should the values be for them to have infinite solutions? Infinite solution means both are the same lines, right?
A and B
Yeah.
So what do you guys think? I'll help you. Come on.
0.
Tell me, guys. Can I go ahead and show
Wait,
you?
if they're in, they have to both be the same equation.
Ananya,
I
what
don't
do you
understand this.
think? Ananya? Ananya, you're talking on mute.
Yes?
When will they have infinite solutions? Guys, am I real listening?
Yeah.
Avni?
Here.
Yeah.
Do you know when will the lines have infinite solutions? Guys, are you able to hear me?
Multiplying by 2 on the first equation.
Oh my. Okay.
Don't you have to multiply by 2 on the first equation?
Yeah. So see, yeah, when they have equal slopes, right? So basically, this is a sample. When they have the same slope means, when you look at this, right, y will be equal to 2 minus x. Here what happens? 2y will be equal to 4 minus 2x. Y will be equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1x. So when they have the same slope, they tend to have, when they have the same slope means, wait.
When they have the same slope, wouldn't that be no solution?
They will be parallel, okay? But when will they be the same? When will they be the same equation? Meaning, when will they overlap? Meaning, they have to refer to the same line, right? So
Like
consider
when
the
the
same.
line is perpendicular?
Then we are not talking about perpendicular lines, ma. X plus y equal to 2, 2x plus 2y equal to 4. Remember, they both should point to the same line. Divide by 2, divide by 2, x plus y equal to 2. See, they are pointing to the same line. Do you see it? Then they overlap, right?
Excuse me?
Go
What
ahead.
if you what if you multiply the second line by 3?
Exactly. That's what I wanted, guys. So, yes. So you're going to multiply the second. See, these problems are challenging. You're going to multiply the second equation by 3. What happens? It's going to become 6x plus 3y equal to 15, which matches this. So what should be the value of a and b? So what should be the value of a and b? Come on, guys. Compare and just say what should be the value of a and b.
A is 2, B is 3.
Good job. So what is that? Tell me, a comma b.
2, 3.
3.
3.
2,
3.
3.
Good job, guys. See? So
Miss
it takes
Priya?
gamma.
Miss Priya?
Yeah, go ahead.
Does it say if your answer is correct or not?
Yeah, it said, right? Somehow you can go
Does
back.
it? Oh, okay.
No. Somehow you can go back. Wait, though, this one. See? It says, right? Correct. Way to go.
Oh, okay.
You see it?
Yeah. Miss Priya?
Yeah, ma, go ahead.
How many questions do we have to do on this?
That is what I'm going to come now. Okay, so see here. I have come to a green bar from a red one, right? On that solving. I will tell you the topics, okay? This focus, I will tell it out for the next week. But in each focus, you need to do what you know? At least you have to touch the blue bar. You
For
get it?
solving two variable systems?
Yeah, I will tell you the focus I'm saying. Solving two variable systems. And then maybe we will do what? We'll do one old one because I want you to revise as well, right? I want you to do solving two variable systems. And I would like you to try what? Wait, let me tell you. I can take you to pre-algebra and do, 1 second, guys. Let me think about it. Hold on. Okay. I can go to pre-algebra and do advanced linear equations. You get it? Would you be able to solve this? Hard, right? It's little tricky. Yeah, go to pre-algebra and do linear equations and advanced linear equations. Meaning, in pre-algebra, you'll go ahead and concentrate basic linear equations and advanced linear equations. Touch the blue bar. Okay. If you're stuck with a problem, come back and share with friends and we will discuss. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now can I go to our thing? I want to graph and show you, meaning we have not solved using graphing, right? Can I move on, guys? Okay. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. So linear equation solving using graphing, let me tell you. Okay, how about this? Let's go ahead and try. Okay, how about I want you to system of equations, right? No. Okay, let's graph them today. Okay, how about this? We'll take these two problems. X minus y equal to -1. I'm going to do it on the board. Okay, you can do it with me. X minus y equal to -1. I will do it on the board, guys. Let's take these two. Okay, we are going to solve using graphing. Last week we used substitution elimination. This week we are not going to use substitution elimination. Okay, x minus y equal to -1. I'll show you how to graph it. Okay, the second equation is 2x minus y equal to -5. 2x minus y equal to -y. 2x minus y equal to -5. Any questions still here? None, right? I'm just writing the equation. So, do you know how to graph these equations, guys? How many of you know how to graph these equations?
We're learning about it in school.
So here, number 1 and 2, right? So I want you to take it to the slope-intercept form. That's the quickest way. Slope-intercept form means, you know, we have solved literals, right? Equation number 1. How to solve for y? How to solve for y? Subtract x on both sides. You'll get -1 minus x. Multiply by -1. Y equal to 1 plus x. Do you all get it, guys? What is the slope of this equation? Anybody? What is the slope? Quick, ma.
1.
1.
1. Yeah, 1. What is the intercept? Y-intercept?
1.
1.
Nice. I'm going to graph it, guys, so please listen. So slope is 1, y-intercept is 1, right? So y-intercept is 1, slope is 1 means what? Slope is 1 means you go down, go left. Go down 1 unit, go left 1 unit. Minus, minus becomes a plus. So there is another point. Similarly, go down, go left. This is another point. Similar, otherwise, go right, go up. This is another point. So now this becomes your line. Do you get it? Is it easy to graph?
Yeah.
Slope is nothing but change in y by change in x, right? If it is a positive slope, you go down, go left. Both are minus. So -1 by -1 unit becomes +1 slope. Similarly, y-intercept, otherwise you can go right side 1 unit, which is a plus, and go up 1 unit, which is also a plus. Do you guys get it? So this is my first equation. To graph my second equation, what do I do? Again, slope-intercept form. -2x on both sides, minus y will be equal to -5 minus 2x. Right? Now multiply by -1, 5 plus 2x. What is the slope here, guys? Advik, you can say, what is the slope here? What is the y-intercept, Ananya?
Slope's 2.
Y-intercept is 5.
5. Now y-intercept is 5. Slope is 2 means I have that point. Slope is 2 means what? It can be 2 by 1 or -2 by -1, right? Both are allowed. 2 by 1 means 2 hops. And then what? 2 hops up, right? So 6, 7. You get it? That is my 1 point. Second point, how do I do? I go left. If I go left, it's a -2 hops. It will be a -2 hop and then -2 hop down. So see, this is my line. Do you see it, guys? Do you see? So somewhere down the line, they are going to meet. It's not like they will not meet. So how to find that line? How to find that point where they meet? Are all of you using your own calculators or Desmos calculators?
My own calculator.
Your own calculators. Are you all, Advik, Subi, how are you all doing? Avni, Anand.
Asking in school or no?
Uh,
In school?
In school or home, whatever you're doing, you have to let me know clearly.
Use my own calculator.
I also use my own.
Okay, Advik, what are you doing for algebra 1?
I use Desmo since I don't have my own calculator.
Okay, so can I go ahead and bring up the TA84 and plot it and show you?
Sure.
Okay, so see, I prefer you all use your own calculator. One of you should read out the problem to me. X minus y is -1, 2x minus y is -5, right? So I'm going to share my screen. I will let you know how to do it. Let's see. You see my screen, right? TA84C plus online. I think there is an app as well, guys. You can go ahead with an app. That's way easier, I feel. So. I want the graphing calculator. Okay, I got it, right? So can you tell me the two stat, meaning how do you type the equations? Do you all know? Yeah, you can type the equation in here, right? So you have to, what are the two equations, Ma? What are the two equations?
X minus y equals -1.
So y will be equal to x plus 1, right? Then what is the next equation?
2x, or do you want me to read it in points and slope
It's
intercept?
okay, Ma. It's okay, whatever is given.
2x minus y is equal to -5.
So in this case, 2x plus 5 will be equal to y, right? So I solve for y in both the equations. So I'm going to enter that in here. This involves a lot of practice, guys. Unless you practice by yourself, this is really difficult. Okay. So here, y1. So I will type out the first equation. Y equal to x plus 1, right? Where is my x? I forgot where is my x, guys. Oh my gosh.
It's where it says xt.
I got it. I got it. X plus 1. You see? And then enter. Now the second equation is y will be equal to what? y1 and y2 are two equations, right? So I'm going to have 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Enter. Okay. Now go to graph. See? It plotted both the lines. Do you guys get it? Now how do you find the intersection point? Go to trace or go to second calc, and then there is an intersect, right? Number 5, go down and choose intersect. Now first curve, no, I don't want the intersection of y-axis and blue line. No, just press enter. I don't want that. The red line and the y-axis is not what I'm looking for. Enter. Where are we? No, that's not what I want. See, now the blue line and the red line intersects at 4, 3.
-4, -3.
4,
It-
-3, yes.
-4, -3.
Oh, -4, correct. -4, -3. Do you guys get it? So you should get used to doing it in the calculator slowly, okay? I'm seeing a lot of pre-calc and algebra 2 kids suffering with calculators. So please learn from now itself. Okay, but again, guys, okay, please don't abuse the calculator, okay? Let's say you don't have the calculator, right? Please don't feel lazy to put it on a coordinate plane and plot it. That is what is right for algebra 1. But you need to be able to do it in the calculator quickly. So that's why I'm teaching you the calculator, okay? But don't abuse it, guys. Don't just keep typing into the calculator and write the intersection point. Hey, this is the answer. Don't do that. You should be able to plot this as a line. How do you plot it? Slope is 1 and the intercept is 1. So basically from here, 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 it keeps going, right? So first plot that line. You should know how to do this line. And the second one, how to do that line. Slope is what? Slope is 2 and the intercept is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slope is 2, right? 2 left, 2 down. Okay, then 2 left, 2 down, 2 left.
Wait, yeah, I think it's 2 down, 1 left.
Huh?
Because
Yeah,
It's
you're right.
two
You're
over
right. You're
one.
right. Okay. Yeah, you're right. I agree. Two left. So basically it goes here two left and one down. Correct. Similarly, two left, one down. So it goes slowly. Now the thing is, it merges at some point here. Okay. So that intersection is -3, 4. I'm not doing. See, if you can do it in a proper coordinate plane, you'll get the intersection point as -4, -3. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
You have to draw proper lines. -4, -3 somewhere here. See, it's not coming properly. So that's the place where they will meet. The thing is, you should be able to translate this into a line. You should be able to translate this into a line. Then you can find the intersection point, okay? But then doing it via the calculator is another thing. Any questions till now?
No.
Okay, you want to do one more problem using graphing? Do you want to do one more problem using graphing? Guys, you have to let me know.
Okay.
You think it's enough? It's enough. I can move on as well. But at the same time, you should know clearly whether you want to do or not. Okay. At the end of it, it's your class. You have to make the maximum use of it. Hold on. Give me 1 minute. I will give you one another problem. Okay, how about this?
Miss Priya,
Yama.
do you happen to know like how to do solving systems of inequalities?
Systems of
'Cause-
inequalities where?
Because that's what I'm learning in school right now, and it's kind of confusing for me.
Yeah, we'll do problems. We'll do problems. After this, we'll do. Is it okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and do this one. Find the solution and then we will move on. I want you to do this one. My gosh. 1 second, guys. I really wanted to do this one. And the calculator, oh, calculator's gone. Okay, I got it. Okay, how about this? Chrome white, I have it here. Okay. Oh, I need to write the equations for you. Huh? So sad. Okay. Equation is 3x plus y equal to 0. 3x 3x plus y equal to 0. The second equation says x plus 2y equal to -5. X plus 2y equal to -y 5. Please make it to slope intercept form. Type it in the calculator. I'm fine for now. Okay. But at home, please make sure you are able to plot it. Advait, did you get it? What is Advait doing, Annam? He's not even there.
He's in the restroom, Priya auntie.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Priya, I got my answer.
Can you send it to me, ma? Did you
Yes, I
Yeah. You're sending it, ma?
Yes, I sent it.
Oh, I don't have the answer here. That is sad. Okay, then I need to verify, right? Hold on. I don't have the answer here with me. Best is to eliminate this one, right?
Miss Priya, so do you want us to start using Alchemist from this week?
Would be nice, right, Ashrita?
'Cause I already have the account.
Oh, you're able to create it directly, huh?
No, we have a subscription.
Oh, good, good, good. Okay, ma.
We have to sign in.
Oh, nice. Yes. Can I get the answers? Yeah, guys. Avni, you're understanding it well, right, Avni?
Yeah.
Okay. So graphing, elimination, substitution should be in place, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Advik, I didn't get your answer.
I'm doing it right now.
Sure, sure. I'm not pressurizing. Take your time. I'll help you, ma. In inequalities, the next one I'm going to deal with. Okay. After that, we'll go to word problems. Okay. Next week, we'll go to word problems. Okay. But I will solve inequalities, at least 2 questions now. Inequality is a hard one. You know why? There is one. I'll go over it. Can I go ahead? I'm waiting.
System.
Yeah, system of inequalities, ma. Wait. Advait, good job. Avni, good job. Annam, good job. Advait, I didn't get an answer from you, but can I please move on? Ananya, I didn't get an answer from you, Ananya.
I'm working on it right now, but I'm kind of confused.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay, okay. Annam, Ananya, how can I help you?
I don't know, except you stopped screen sharing, so.
What is that preventing you? You would have had the question with you, right?
I know, but
There's nothing on the board, right? Do you have the questions with you? Do you have the questions with you, ma?
I did, but the thing is, I got my I wrote all over my notebook so that I can't really see the question right now. So can you put it back up quickly?
Where is the question? You did not write it down?
No.
Ma, then what, ma? Then there is no point, right? You did not even write the question. Now, how will you solve? Ananya, this is not at all fine, Ananya, because see, I can't drag the class back as well. All are done. Okay, I'm going to move on with that question. Okay, anyway, you can note down the question and you can solve and let me know if you solve. X minus 3y equal to minus 8. Sorry. I gave you 3x plus y equal to 0. X plus 2y equal to minus y. Minus 5. I'll repeat 3x plus y equal to 0. X plus 2y equal to minus 5. That's the question I gave. I'm not going to wait now. I'm please going to move on. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go ahead with this.
I can't see your screen for the new question.
No. I have not done anything.
Okay.
How about this? Do you see my problem on the board? Now there is less than equal to sign. It's no longer an equation. These are called system of inequalities, linear system of inequalities. So you all know how to plot it. You don't know. Okay. Let me go ahead and plot it for you. X is less than minus x minus 2. So what are the points? Another easier way to plot a graph, find the x and y intercept, guys. Find 2 points in the graph. That's it. How will you find 2 points on the graph? Put x equal to 0. What is the value of y?
-2.
Minus 2. What? Put y equal to 0. What is the value of x?
-2/5.
No, ma. In the first equation, each equation you have to find 2
Oh,
points. Put y equal to 0. What is the value of x?
then -2 is 2.
Minus 2. So, 0, comma minus 2 is a point on the graph. Minus 2, comma 0 is a point on the graph. So, the first line, right? It is this line. Easy enough? Graphing
Yeah.
becomes so easy, see? And then for the second one, right? How do you plot it? First, let's plot, okay? When we plot, right, we'll plot the line, okay? We plotted the line. But there is an inequality. Y is less than or equal to means what? See the y-axis, okay? See the line, okay? Whenever I'm going to shade some part of the graph. Whatever y-axis, see the y-axis, whatever part of the y-axis is less than the line, is below the line, you're going to shade it. Any questions? Any questions, guys, till now?
No.
You are only going to watch the y-axis, okay? Y is less than or equal to means all the pieces of y-axis which is below the line. This represents your line. This represents your line. Now let's plot the second one. How to plot the second one? Can
You
one of you guys?
substitute the variables for
Yeah, let's substitute x equal to 0. If I substitute x equal to 0, what happens? Y equal to
2.
2. If we substitute y equal to 0, x will be equal to what?
2.
By 5. Huh?
Or 2/5, sorry.
So 0, comma 2. 0, comma 2 is a point on the graph. 2/5, comma 0. 2/5, comma 0 is here. You guys get it?
Yes.
So this will be my graph. Now the thing is, it's an inequality. So where will? See, look only at the y-axis. Look only at the y-axis. This represents your line. Well, what are you going to shade? All pieces of the y-axis.
Wouldn't you shade everything that's under the intersection of the first and second line? Everything like the first line and
Please don't confuse, okay? For the first line, you selected and shaded whatever was below. For the second one, whatever was above the line, you're going to shade it. First, shade everything. Okay. Now, which region overlaps between the two shadings? What is the region that overlaps between the two shading? This is the only region that overlaps, correct?
Yeah.
So any point that lies within this region is the solution. Any point that lies within this region is the solution to both the equations. You got it?
Yeah.
Are we clear?
Granty,
Yeah.
what if it's flipped around and it says x is like greater than or equal to something? Then do you do whatever is greater than or equal to the x?
No, ma. For clarity's sake, please solve for y. If you're given the equation like this, right? I will solve for y. Subtract 2 on both sides. Y is less than or equal to x minus 2. I will plot this line, and whatever y-axis part is below the line, I would shade. I will always put y is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to.
Okay.
You got it? You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Don't get confused with inequalities. The best way to solve them correctly is to solve for y. You want to do one problem or should we log off? What should we do?
Yes, Priya, so once we graph it, how would we know like the solution? Like we have the two lines and we graphed it. Like and where the part that you highlighted green before, like how would we write our answer for inequality systems?
I think it's just like any point there.
Any point,
like-
Amma, for that matter, right? Meaning, when you show in graphing, you have to shade the portion in green and show them. Okay. When you look at this, right, for that matter, right, like let's say there is a 0.8. Let's say this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 5 comma minus 8 will be a solution. You know how they will ask? Will 5 comma 5 be a part of the solution for this inequality? They'll ask.
Okay.
Or they will ask you to shade. Let me show you for this one, right? For this inequality, right?
Yes.
This is the solution. This is how they show. Meaning, if you're graphing and showing, this is your answer. You got it?
Yes.
Now, can I give you one more?
Yes.
And one major thing, okay, in inequality. There is a less than or equal to means this is a heavy line. Do you see? It's a heavy line. Do you see, guys?
Yes. So if it's just less than, it'll be a lighter line.
Ah, good question.
It'll be a dotted line.
Yes, it would be a dotted line. Let me show you that, please.
So then that would become a discrete graph.
It won't become a discrete graph. Why would it become a discrete graph? Discrete graph is where
Not like points, right? It's like
the lines right, ma, but it will be a dotted line. The difference is, I'll show you the difference. I'll tell you the difference.
Whenever I said dotted line, I thought it would be like with dots, not like this.
It's with dots, right? Oh, I see. I see. I see.
But Miss Priya,
yes,
Miss
ma.
Priya,
Yes.
the ones with the dotted graph, would that still be considered continuous?
Oh, this is continuous, ma. This is just a see. There is no difference. This is a line. It is continuous, okay? But one thing understand, guys.
Is it just to differentiate?
No, I'll tell you the difference. Wait a minute. So here, a point on that line. Let's say this is a point on the line, right? Okay, let's say. For this, right, the solution was the shaded region. Now, sometimes you may be asked, hey, is minus 4 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma minus 4, which is a point on that line, is that a solution?
No, because it's on
Yes,
the
it is, because equal to, it can also be equal to that line. So a point on that line is definitely a solution to the graph. Do you see?
Miss
A point
Priya,
on this line is also a solution.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
if it didn't have the like the equal to, less than or equal to, and just like less than, would it like then it wouldn't be included, right?
Let me finish, ma. After that, you can ask your questions. I feel. Hold on for a minute. Now, in this graph, is this a solution? Yes, because the line is heavy. It's not dotted. So the point on the line in this region is definitely, see this point, let's say 1 comma minus 3 is also a solution because see any y that is less than or lying on that line or equal to that line is a solution here. Okay. Coming to the second one, let's see. Now, in the second one, right? 1 second, guys. I will let you ask questions. Okay. Definitely I'll let you. Now here, in the second one, when I think about it, let's say this is the shaded region, meaning this is our solution, right?
Yes.
This solution part. Now, is this a solution? That's a point on the line. What is that point? That point
2 comma 0.
It's not a solution because it's clearly given y is greater than that line. When it is equal to that line, it's not a solution.
So it's only supposed to be in the shaded part, right?
It has to be in the shaded piece for it to be a solution. You got it?
Okay.
That is the difference between the heavy line and the dotted line. Heavy line comes when there is an equal to sign, and any point on the line is also not these points in the shaded region. Sorry, any here is a solution. Did you guys get it clearly?
Yes.
Okay. So we will do more of this, but can I give you questions?
I can try.
You can try. At least the graphing piece I'll give you guys. If you don't understand, you can bring it back. Inequalities. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll do all of the school book problems, and then I'll assign one easy topic in alchemist. Okay, I'll assign some easy topics in alchemist. I can let you know one thing in alchemist. Okay, there is a setting to make the problems easy. You see what I mean? There is a setting to make your problems come easy out of it. You can use that if you want it. Okay, that will help you. That won't make you feel frustrated. Okay, you can use that. I will let you use that. You want to know where?
Yes.
Okay, I can show you where. See, but I will not tell this to some groups. Okay, I really want you to use it hard, but I don't want you to become frustrated with math. That is not my intent, right?
We go into settings and then problem difficulty and then select.
Good one. Who was that? Yes,
Okay.
that's right. Settings. You found it already. I didn't tell the other class that is doing for 6 months. Settings, problem difficulty, put it in easy. You
Okay.
put it in easy. It's okay, guys. Okay, at the end of it, I want you to enjoy doing what you're doing.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, that's not my intent at all. Make it very easy on yourself. That's fine. So first, let's make it very easy on yourself, and then we'll see. See, this is an equation that's easy, right? Solve.
Yeah.
This is the review. Nice review. You will not forget. You taking it to the blue bar will help you do 10 problems, which I'm happy about. You got it? So
Okay.
only this basic linear equations this way, or yeah, or see, if I change the focus, right, I can go to algebra. What was that? Yeah, this is okay. See, this is okay. Oh, wait. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is easy. You can do this as well.
Okay.
Okay, we will just do solving two variable systems. Any questions?
No. So we're not doing the pre-algebra lessons.
We'll do next week, Ma. I really wanted to do this solving two variable systems.
Okay.
Okay, any questions? Okay,
No.
guys. Yeah. Bye, Ma. If you have any questions, you can say.
Bye.
Remember,
Bye.
the meeting kicked me out, so I was on Anand's computer for the rest of the
So
class.
nice of you, Advait, to come to Annam and then sit with her. Very nice. Thank you. I
Priya.
understood that you logged off, but I was a little sad. Oh my God, why did Advait log off? Literally, I saw that. But very as soon as you saw here with Annam, I was happy.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi upstairs is not working.
Not at all a problem. It showed your dedication. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Bye, Pradati.
Bye, Subi. But did you get it, Subi, now? Did you? She's.
Yeah, I
Subi,
got it.
get the inequalities better now?
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye, ma.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, also, Priyanti, did you say something about me being in the wrong class earlier?
No.
Okay.
You're in the right class.
Because I heard Amma's name, and you said Anusha Punda.
Yeah. No. There is one another girl whose mom is Anusha.
Oh.
I forgot, meaning the mom wanted the kid to come to the class. I forgot to send the invite even.
Oh.
Oh my, yeah. That is Venkat uncle's friend's daughter.
Okay.
I completely forgot about it today. I can't do anyway what I can do, right? I can only get her
Yeah.
next. Yeah. So, Amma, how are you doing in school?
I have 100 in math right now.
Wow, Annam, you rock. Amma is
Yeah.
teaching you a lot.
I'm hoping I'll still keep my 100 for my next test.
You will, ma. See, you both have become so dedicated. Do you see the difference? How playful you are now? You're all dedicated, right? You're all in middle school and you're becoming very nice individuals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it
Thank you.
automatically shows.
Huh?
It automatically shows. Continue. And how is your writing and all?
Oh, I don't do that much anymore.
You should do that.